Hey everybody, we're on Swedish fish break number 2, and we're near the top, almost 2 miles up of Beartooth, and a lot of trees up here. Here we are near the top of Beartooth, Swedish fish break number 2. I gotta tell you, it's a little windy up here, a little windy. I try to block the wind. Mountaintops over there. I think we're just over 10,000 feet. The bike stops calculating at 9,999. It just says 1.9 miles. Woo! It's a little brisk too. Alright, let's keep going before I finish all these Swedish fish. Maybe if I hit the button, I'll be all right. So over there, drove up, I came over here. So we're back. Some snow. Really, the only thing I'm worried about right now is I got like 5 Swedish fish left. I'm not sure I'm gonna make it, man. I'm not gonna make it. All right, everybody. I'm way up high, running out of oxygen. I'm all alone up here. Don't know what's gonna happen if I don't make it. No one's gonna be able to find me. Never feel so alone. Anybody out there? I got 2 gummies left. It's 3 Swedish fish. It was just you and I left. We started this journey. There's a lot more of us. Now it's just me and you. Where'd the others go? I went to the lake. Lake La Stomach A. Now it's just me and you. Where is that? I'll show you. How do you like it? Keep going, you can swim down there. Should have bought more. Some would say this is nature's tea kettle, but the smell would say something else. Something else. It's rotten eggs. Oh look, it's a baby geyser. Oh, it's so cute.